Welcome to grade 7 students. How are you? I hope everyone fit and fine. I am also. I am your SST teacher Nikhil sir. Students, in the last class we have already started chapter number 1 our environment. In this chapter we have already discussed some important basic topics. First topic, meaning of environment, types of environment, natural and human made or man made environment, major domains of natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. After it, human environment, ecosystem. Now students, today in this video we start important topic, that is environmental degradation. Environment degradation. Environment degradation, we can say our environment is deteriorating for last 2 centuries, and almost every part of all the planet has been touched by it in all way of them other. The primary cause of the environmental degradation is the human disturbance. The industrial revolution of the 19th century merchandised the production and manufacturing of goods and introduced the use of machinery and other heavy equipments, which in turn used fuel as source of energy, which deteriorated the environment. The degradation has adverse impact on human, plants and animal and microorganisms. So environment degradation is a very important topic of environment. Today human destruct all the things, and human disturbance play a major role in the environment degradation. After student, we can say environment degradation is the deterioration of our environment through depletion of resources such as air, water and soil, the destruction of ecosystem, habitat destruction, the extinction of wildlife and pollution. Now the question arises, what are the basic causes of environmental degradation? Environmental changes are based on many factors. It include pollution, industries, urbanization, population growth, economic growth, intensification of agriculture, increase in energy use. Pollution. Student, pollution play a very important role because pollution is another cause of environmental degradation. When the environment become polluted, it means the toxic substance have released it unhealthy. Pollution can come from a variety of sources, including vehicle emission, agricultural runoff, accidental chemical release from factories, as poorly managed harvesting of natural resource. On this behalf, we can categorize in pollution major 5 types. First, we can say air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, thermal and nuclear pollution, and noise pollution. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution means the smoke, or we can say the smoke emitted by industries polluted air and water very badly. Student, air pollution generally is caused by the presence of higher proportion of undesirable gases such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Airborne particulate materials consist of both solid and liquid particles. Sometimes dust, fume, mist, spray and smoke contain both type of particles, human made source of pollutant and normally industrial and solid waste. So air pollution affect human health, animal, plants, materials and the atmosphere. When contaminated particles mix with air and finish the purity of substance called air pollution. And after it, water pollution. Water pollution is another source of pollution. We can say source of water pollution are numerous, but most important are industrial effluent that are discharged into river. They can both organic and inorganic, like coal, dye, pesticides, fertilizers, plastic and rubber are some common pollutants of water. Here 1 marks question arise student, what are the common pollutants of water pollution? So plastic, rubber, pesticides, fertilizers, coal, dyes are the common pollutants of water pollution. The principal of industries which create the water pollution are paper pulp industry, textile industry, chemical, petroleum, refinery and tannery. Sometimes electroplating industry also are the major industry create water pollution. Industrial waste containing toxic metals pollute land and soil also. So this is our water pollution. After it student, noise pollution. Noise pollution means huge noise, unwanted loud noise is also pollution. It arises primarily from industry and means of transport. Industries noise particularly from mechanical saw and pneumatical drill is unbearable and is a nuisance to public. Noise pollution can hear impairment, increased heart rate, blood pressure and other psychological effect also. So audacity of noise create pollution. Thermal and nuclear pollution. Student, thermal and nuclear pollution are most dangerous pollution because thermal pollution occur when hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into river and ponds before cooling. Waste from nuclear power plant, nuclear and weapon production facilities cause cancer, birth defects and miscarriages. Soil and water pollution are closely related. Dumping of waste, especially glass, harmful chemical, industrial effluents, packing, salt and garbage render of soil useless. Rain water percolates to the soil carrying the pollutants to the ground and the groundwater also get contaminated. So air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and thermal or nuclear pollution, say these are the major factor of environmental degradation. I think it's enough for today class. Continue in the next class. So today we pick only a small topic but very important topic, environmental degradation. Just go through the video, revise all things. If you have any doubt, clear in the next session, in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.